everybody, it's Billy from Better Roads here during our alcohol-free challenge. And today, I'm gonna make an amazing mocktail. You know how I'm gonna do that though? You know what's really gonna make it amazing? Lyre's. Lyre's is a alcohol-free spirit that we carry at Better Roads, and this particular spirit, the Lyre's American Malt Spirit, emulates a bourbon. What we gotta do first, I gotta cut through this massive lemon here somehow. I'm gonna go like this. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Yeah, pulled this from our tree in the back. So this is one of the things that's nice about living in California. Crazy lemons everywhere. So we take this lemon like this. I'm gonna take this lemon. This is one of my favorite parts of the whole process. This is where we take this lemon. Oops. I'm going to take this lemon and I'm just going to squeeze my frustrations of being in quarantine for so long, and I'm going to squeeze all that juice right into the shaker. Just squeeze it all in. Squeeze it all in. Then I'm going to take this lime right here. I'm going to cut this baby right here like this. Cut that open right there. I'm gonna take this lime, look at that nice juicy lime there, and I'm gonna squeeze it, squeeze my frustrations right into there, right into there. The next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take a little bit of sweet, because everybody needs a little bit of sweet, especially now. A little bit of sweet from this honey. Squirt a little bit in there like this. Then we need some ice. I'm gonna take some ice right here, throw that baby right into here. And then this is the thing that makes the whole thing sing. We're gonna take this lovely Lyre's alcohol-free spirit right here. We're gonna take 2 shots, pour this into here, just like that. Feeling a little frisky today, so I'm gonna do 3. Put that into here, just like that. Put this baby right over here. Got our nice cocktail glass ready. And then I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna give it a shake. I'm gonna shake this baby up. I'm gonna shake all the frustrations out from being in quarantine for so long, and I'm just gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and make an amazing alcohol-free spirit. Woo! All right, now like that, I'm gonna go here. Just cut that and make sure it gets all right. Put that in here. I'm gonna take this into our nice cocktail glass. Pour that baby into here. And then I'm going to take all that froth. Oh yeah, oh look at that nice froth on the top. And with that, we have our Better Roads Old Joe Sour.